Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you a really quick recipe. It is something I think that's been around for a while, and thank you Becky and Becky's mom. I need to really find out your name. And you suggested that I make this recipe because it's something that you both really like a lot. So I'm gonna turn you around, 4 simple ingredients and a microwave, and you're ready to go. So let's get this started and we can enjoy our breakfast bake. Now, point wise, 3 smart points for the entire thing, 3. So this could be good for a dessert or it could be good for a breakfast, but let's turn around. I haven't tried it before. This is new to me, so I'm super excited to give this a try. Okay, so today's recipe calls for 4 simple ingredients. We have the butter oats, which I picked up at my last grocery haul, and it comes with 10 pouches in it. These are 3 smart points each. So we have 1 packet of that. We need 4 ounces of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce, and if you can get those little containers, those little personal ones, those work great, but I didn't have that, but I do have unsweetened applesauce on hand at most of the time. We need 1 egg, and a handful of blueberries is what it called for, but I have mixed berries and I had them in the freezer, so I just de-thawed those, or thawed them. I know normal people say thawed, but I say de-thawed all the time. So anyway, thaw your berries if you have frozen ones. So let's go ahead and start this recipe now. So we're gonna take the applesauce and we're gonna put in 1 egg. I'm gonna beat that real quick and just pop that in there. We're gonna take 1 pouch of the butter oats. And if you've not tried these before, these are 100 calories. They have less than 1 gram of total sugars. And let's see how much dietary fiber, 3. So not bad, 3 grams of fiber in these. So I was trying to look for the protein, but 4 grams of protein, so that's great. So we're gonna go ahead and dump that in here next. Give that a quick stir. And I like that it has protein in it, and then you're getting the extra protein from the egg. So if you're looking just for a new way to get a little extra protein in, this could be an easy way to do it. All right, so we have that in, and then we're gonna add some berries in. I'm gonna get some of that, more of that juice, because again, I'm not using fresh, so some of that juice is gonna come off. Trying not to get my hands in it because you know how that's gonna go. My fingers will be a different color for days. All right, let's see how that looks. Let's just get those stirred in. I think we can use a couple more. All right, so that looks good. Now we're going to put this in the microwave for 4 minutes. I'm thinking I'm going to change my measuring cup out because I do have my one, it's just a little over 1 cup. So I'm gonna change that out because I don't want that to overflow. So I just grabbed another measuring cup. We're just gonna pop this right in here. I almost wonder if I should spray this, but a little late now. So maybe we should spray it. I'll double check the instructions that I was sent, but we're just gonna give this a try. All right, so we're gonna pop this in the microwave, 4 minutes. And then I will come back and show you the final results. Okay, it's now been 4 minutes plus 1. I pulled it out. It still seemed a little wet, so I definitely wanted to give that a chance to soak up. I did use the frozen berries, so they were a little wetter than natural, just fresh berries. So I wanted to just kind of make sure that I had this right. So I'm gonna let this cool off just for a minute, and then I will give this a try and let you know my thoughts. Okay, I know this isn't the prettiest of containers, but it's totally functional. Plus, when I make this, if I make it for breakfast, I'm not really looking for functional. I'm just looking for how it tastes, and we're gonna find that out right now. I let it sit for about 2 minutes so it cooled off just a little bit, but I didn't want it to be totally cold because I think you're supposed to eat it when it's warm, so. It's kind of like a berry cobbler. That's kind of how I'm gonna say it. It's like a berry cobbler. super good. All right, so I am going to enjoy this. Becky and your mom, Becky and her mom, thank you for sending this recipe over so that I could give this a try. It smells delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this 3-point. At this point, it's a snack because it's totally not breakfast time. So I'm gonna enjoy this 3-point snack, and I hope that you give it a try too. So again, 1 packet of oatmeal, 1 egg, 4 ounces of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce, and a handful of fresh berries, or blueberries is what it originally called for. So if you don't want it, I mean, this one is like a crumble. If you want it a little drier, use a little bit less of the applesauce. Again, I guesstimated how much is in those small little individual servings. So maybe try it with 3 ounces of applesauce, and it would be a little less crumbly, maybe more like a bread type mixture. But again, tastes great to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this. See you next time. And if you want to see more fun, easy microwave recipes, just put fun down in the comments and I'll try to see what I can come up with. Again, thank you, Becky and your mom, for sending this one over. See you next time. Bye.